In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Canon printer that is the TR7120. Press the home button so we all start on the same page. Then you need to navigate, so you select settings with this up and down button over here. Highlight settings, press OK. Then go down and select device settings, press OK. Go down and you need to select reset settings and press again OK. You have multiple ways of resetting this printer. You can simply reset the Wi-Fi if you want by selecting LAN settings only. But if it's a full factor reset you're looking for, then go all the way down and select reset all, press OK. And now select yes, press OK. And usually in just a few seconds, everything will be done and you'll have to set up the printer as a brand new one since everything will be erased. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below if it was, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.